we're going to learn about ways our body gets poisoned, or we feel or we take in toxins or poisons. In today's world, or in the chemicalized world, we are surrounded by different forms of toxins or poisons. We cannot feel them or see them. They are invisible to the eye. They don't have any color or scent even. And so we breathe in, we drink the water we drink, the food we eat, the medications we eat, even from personal care to even the dental fillings. We have poisons getting into the body, which research has shown that it could then lead, or they form the basis, or they drive systemic chronic diseases like cancers, metabolic diseases like obesity, diabetes, respiratory problems, neurological problems, even brain disorders. They cause all these problems. But there are some symptoms that we have to really address for you to realize that if you have if you've been exposed to poison in acute conditions, means that it started suddenly. Okay, that is the acute or symptoms of acute or sudden poison exposure. Normally, such individuals, listen carefully. If you have maybe about 4 or 5 of the symptoms, it means that you might be exposed to poison in acute condition, right? It means that if you experience body temperature changes, it could be high. Normally it's high. Your heart will be racing, will be very fast. You have a chest pain. You may get confused. When you cough, you may see some blood in the sputum or the mucus. Some people may experience diarrhea or nausea. They may even vomit. Some may experience dizziness or weakness or fainting. And some may have swollen eyes or swelling, or they have tears running down their eyes, and they may have red eyes, burning sensation in the eyes, or they may also experience burning sensation in the nose and throat. And to greater extent, some people may have stomach pain and the trouble breathing and the trouble even seeing. So if you experience about 4 or 5 of the symptoms at the same time, you have to call for emergency. Okay, but we have also other symptoms that really based on chronic one. When you say chronic, it's a long-term accumulation of toxins or poisons. And the general symptom here is that you will experience fatigue. All the time you feel tired, the brain fog. You cannot recollect, you cannot think through, you get confused, and headache, unexplained weight loss. You may be losing weight, you didn't plan for it, and you can't sleep well at night. Now, if you experience these symptoms, it's a general symptom that your body has been poisoned. All right, but we have specific symptoms. If we consider the skin, you may have rashes. If you have rashes, itchy skin, and it goes on for a long time, it could be also accumulation of toxins in your blood or in the lymphatic system. Some individuals may be sweating excessively day or night, especially night when they are sleeping. It could mean that they have accumulation of toxins in their body. You may also experience digestive symptoms like nausea. You may feel nauseated, vomit or gas, bloating, constipation, or diarrhea. Some may experience poor appetite. Some may also have neurological symptoms like memory issues. They may have a mood swing, or they may have muscle twitches. These are all indicators of the nervous system being poisoned. All right, the immune system, if it's poisoned, you may catch cold or infections frequently, and then your immune system will be more sensitive. So you may experience allergies as well here, or even asthma. Right, the cardiovascular symptoms are normally your heart will be racing, or you may have irregular heartbeat. Your blood pressure may shoot up, and then you have a poor circulation. So you see, blood pressure itself is not a disease, but it could be an indicator that your blood is toxic, and then your blood is so poor, it's not moving. You have a poor circulation, and then you have a high blood pressure. So if you clean your system, you see your blood pressure even coming down sometimes. And then some even may also have respiratory symptoms like shortness of breath or and then they may have permanent, what they call persistent cough. So if you've been coughing persistently, a cough that cannot leave you, it could be that your system, your respiratory system, has been poisoned. Right. There are other symptoms like metallic taste or hair loss or stiffness in the joint or poor wound healing. That is in the case of diabetes. Diabetes is a toxic disease in a way, making your blood so thick and toxic and cause systemic inflammation 24/7. And the women, especially the young one, may experience hormonal imbalances causing irregular periods. Well, how do we get in these toxins? Through these personal care, everyday products we use. The personal care products, the shampoo, the lotions, deodorants, okay, toothpaste, makeup, that's for women, perfumes. They contain potential toxins like parabens. Parabens are basically preservatives that can normally cause what they call the endocrine disruption. It means hormonal imbalances, and research has shown that it's also linked to breast cancer in women, and it could cause infertility in both men and women. There are also other poisons that they are also linked. They are carcinogenic. It means that cancer-causing agents. They are all in personal care products as well. So we have to watch out and be using the organic ones or the natural one. We have household cleaning products like all-purpose cleaners or air fresheners, laundry detergents or dishwashing liquids. They also contain potential toxins like ammonia, chlorine, and then we have also volatile organic compounds, that the VOCs. They are found in air fresheners or cleaning sprays. They are also linked to headaches or liver damage or kidney or respiratory conditions. Plastic products like the food containers, water bottles. Water bottles should never be exposed to sunlight or heat because it can definitely cause problems to us. We have toxins like bisphenol A, that's a BPA. This actually also is linked to hormonal imbalances and the infertility problems, and then even it increases the risk of some forms of cancers as well here. So you see, there are a lot of ways that poisons get into us. We can't cover everything, but our cookwares, that is a non-stick cookwares, food packaging, okay, even the home furnishing, the building materials we use, clothing, okay, the amalgam fillings, okay, in the dental, when you go to a dentist, or dental clinics, they have this amalgam fillings. It can also cause that. Trans fat found in fried or processed food, okay, and then of course canned foods, microwavable foods, processed meats, snacks. They all contain certain preservatives like nitrates or nitrites. These will form the basis of systemic chronic disease. They compound gradually and they cause systemic inflammation. They cause oxidative stress. It means they kill your cells, they damage your cells, and that can lead to diseases. All right. If you're listening to me and you have any of the symptoms, or you have the need to cleanse your body, especially the chronic accumulation of toxins, one call away and your life will never be the same. Or if you have any other chronic disease, give me a call and your life will turn around by God's grace. If calling outside the UK is +44 738 464 7300. If you're calling within the UK, is 0738 464 7300. You can visit me also on my YouTube channel. Put in Dr. James Natural Link. Dr. James Natural Link, and go there. Subscribe please so that I don't miss any of the future programs. Thanks a lot for listening to me today.